Hello! So I have been sent 4 lovely colours from Madame Glam from the House of Love collection. This is a brand new collection, absolutely stunning colours. So let me show you the 4 that I chose. So here's a beautiful pink colour, which is the Chaser. I think this is a really nice pink for Valentines, for love sets, or anyone who likes pink, really. Yeah, so yeah, this is really nice, this colour. Even though I'm not a pink person, I like blue, as you probably all know. Yeah, so next up is this lovely purpley nude, which is called Love Energy. So you can see that there. Yeah, so this is a lovely pink colour. I'd say it's like in a nude range. I think it's pretty too. I also chose this beautiful shimmery, it's got like gold shimmer running through it. This one's called Supernova Love. I love the names on these. I wish I could think of good names like these for things. So yeah, this is like a pinky rose gold, but it's got like little gold glitter running through it too. It's really pretty. I don't even think the camera's picking it up properly. And last but not least, this is a very light, I'd say, pink, which is called Moonchild. Yeah, so it's like a creamy pink, I'd say. So that's the 4 that I chose. So let's get going. So yeah, I'm going to be using my Aliana hand today. So I'm going to be doing lovely Valentine set. So for the base, I'm going to be using Moonchild. I'm going to do 2 coats of this, curing in between for 30 seconds. And while I am doing that, I just want to apologise that I have not uploaded for a while. I do work in a supermarket, so as you most probably know, Christmas time is a very busy time for me. So I've just basically had time. I've been working like stupid hours. I was doing 6 nights, and I was doing like 11, maybe 12-hour shifts. So yeah, as you can tell, that I did not have time to do any nails, unfortunately, because I love Christmas nails. So yeah, I do want to apologise for that, and I'm hoping to start uploading more frequently. Again, now it's all the mad rush is gone. So yes, so I hope you're all okay. So I haven't really got much to say rather than me working on all the time. I hope you all had a good Christmas and New Year. Right, so next up I'm going to be using these pink Gonks. I can't remember what they're called. They're off Nail Sugar's website. They're gorgeous. I love the decals from there. What I am doing, I'm just getting a jelly stamper. I cut out the design, pop it on, and then just pop a little bit of water, leave it for 15-20 seconds maybe. I like to dab it so it doesn't wet the whole nail, so then you can add on more decals if you wish. Yes, I'm going to put this on the tacky layer on the middle finger, and then I'm going to be using this gorgeous set too. I'm going to be using the XOXO just above the Gonk there. So I like to dab it again, just so it make sure it sticks. That one didn't want to come off, so I just basically got a bit more water and dabbed it. Leave it for a second, like so. Like so. I keep saying that. I've noticed that already. Sorry. So yeah, that's that one done. So I'm going to put in Chaser and Love Energy onto my palette. So you can see the colours more there. But they're quite pretty. So yeah, I'm just going to grab my dotting tool. First time doing hearts, by the way, guys. So please bear with me. So yeah, I'm just doing some random hearts. Just not too many on this one. Don't know where these hairs come from. I've got a dog that doesn't molt. It's probably mine. My fringe or something, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going in and just doing a couple of hearts on that one. I like to flash cut in between. Just so, because with it being gel polish, it runs more than it does with gel paints. So yeah, I'm just doing the same on this nail here. Not the perfect hearts, but hey ho. Okay, so when you're happy with the design, just pop that in for a full cure or double cure if you want to do that. It's totally fine. Now I am going in with, I can't remember what it's called, but you've seen it anyway. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go around the edge of the nail like so, and then I just put like a few little dots in between the hearts on the other nail. Okay, so now I'm going to do the ring finger, and I'm going to go in with Love Energy, and I'm just going to do like a sweep across the nail. I didn't actually know what I was going to do with this set, by the way, so I was just winging it, literally winging it, but I was quite happy with the outcome. So yeah, pop that in for a cure, flash cure, sorry. Okay, so now I'm going just round the edges with that beautiful pinky, goldy, glittery colour, shimmery Okay, so now I'm going in with top coat. I'm going to go over all the nails. Just a nice thin layer will do nicely. I really enjoyed being back at my nail desk, I really did. Missed it. Just didn't have time. I took one night off and I was basically asleep. Okay, so pop that in for a cure. On the pinky, I'm going to be using this gorgeous Raspberry Ripple glitter from Nail Sugar, of course. All details in the description box below. So I am just going over with some top coat, I think it was, or it might have been base coat. I'm not very good at this today, am I? Okay, so now I'm just going to dab some glitter all over the baby finger. Not too much, I only wanted a little bit because I wanted to see the colour underneath the nail. Like so. I did put it on the ring finger, but I decided not to put any on there. So yeah, that's why I put some top coat on the ring finger. I thought sometimes little is more, if you get what I mean. Okay, so now go over that with some top coat. Feel free to do a double top coat if you prefer. Some people do, some people don't. Just make sure you wipe your brush because otherwise you get glitter in your bottle. So that's that set done today. Here's my code on the bottom left corner of the screen to get 30% off their website. You can also join their VIP to get a discount too, and you can save all your money up as well for up to 6 months. So here is the finished set. I hope you like this video and I try my best to come back as often as I can. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.